Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to file your first Canadian tax return. First, determine your residency status for tax purposes. Then, gather all your income slips, such as T4s for employment income and T4 as for other income. Don't forget to collect receipts for any eligible deductions and credits you might claim. This preparation ensures you have all the necessary documents ready before you begin the filing process, making it much smoother. Once your documents are organized, you'll need to choose how to file. Many people opt for online filing using NetFile certified tax software, which is often the quickest and easiest method. Alternatively, you can print and mail a paper return directly to the Canada Revenue Agency. If you prefer, a tax professional can prepare and submit your return for you, offering expert guidance and ensuring accuracy. When completing your return, accurately report all income earned throughout the year, including employment, investment, and self-employment income. Next, claim any eligible deductions, such as registered retirement savings plan contributions or union dues, which reduce your taxable income. Finally, apply for tax credits like the Canada Workers' Benefit or tuition credits, which directly lower the amount of tax you owe. Double-check all entries for accuracy. After completing your return, submit it by the deadline, which is typically April 30th for most individuals. If you owe taxes, ensure your payment reaches the Canada Revenue Agency by the same due date to avoid penalties and interest. Even if you file online, keep all your supporting documents, like T4s and receipts, for at least 6 years in case the CRA requests them for review. Congratulations, you've filed your first Canadian tax return.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.